Welcome to EDU World Space.
We want to find f of g and g of f given the two functions for f and g. Well, f of g would be the same as f of x squared. So we put x squared in for x into the f function, and we would get the square root of x squared plus 4. G of f is g of f of x, or g of f of x is the square root of x plus 4. And so that would be equal to the square root of x plus 4 squared. The domain and range of the functions in interval notation. Now the domain of f, we can only square root when things are greater than or equal to 0. So if x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0, then x has to be greater than or equal to negative 4, which would be from negative 4 included to infinity. The domain of g, the domain can be anything, you can put anything in for x, all real numbers. So the domain of f of g um, would be, since you can put anything into the function, and that's just going to be like the domain will be all real numbers, negative to positive infinity. And the domain of g of f would have to be greater than or equal to negative 4. Negative 4 included with the squared bracket to infinity.